Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. Today we are going to do a charging speed test and see how long it actually takes the OnePlus 8T to charge from 0 to 100%. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The phone comes with a massive 65-watt charger, and OnePlus has advertised that it takes 39 minutes for the phone to charge from 0 to 100%. So today we are going to challenge this claim with not one but two charging tests. In the first test, we are going to drain the phone to complete 0% and then we'll see how long it takes to charge to 100% without turning on the device. For the second one, we are going to drain the phone to 1% and charge it straight to 100% with the device turned on and all the features like Wi-Fi mobile data working to mimic the real life conditions. So let's start the first test. As you can see, I have drained out the device to 0%. So if we try to switch it on, it will show us the battery low warning. Now we are going to plug the charger into the device and start the timer, and I'll check the battery percentage in 5-minute intervals. At 5 minutes the battery percentage is at 14%. Battery percentage reaches 35% around after 10 minutes. At 15-minute marks, the battery has reached 53%, and I'm totally impressed by it. Like, getting 53% in 15 minutes is just amazing. At 20 minutes, the battery percentage has reached 67%. At 25 minutes, the battery percentage has crossed 81%. And after half an hour, the battery percentage has reached 92%. So now we are closing to 100%. The battery has reached 98% in 35 minutes, and let's see how long it takes to reach 100% now. So finally the phone charged from 0 to 100% completely in 36 minutes 27 seconds, which is ridiculous, and it is even better than the OnePlus claim of 39 minutes. One thing that you are going to notice with all the fast chargers is the charging speed is very fast initially and then it gradually decreases as the phone reaches 100%. So now let's move to the second test. In the second test, we are going to see the charging speed and temperature of the phone while it charges from 1 to 100% with the device turned on and with all functionality like Wi-Fi mobile data working. And this is going to mimic a more ideal condition. This time I am going to show you the battery temperature in the app called Ampere. So let's just start the test. And like the previous test, I will be checking the battery percentage in 5-minute intervals. At 5 minutes the battery percentage has reached 22% and temperature is currently 38.8. Now this is very strange compared to our first test, because in the first test even the device was turned off. After 5 minutes mark the battery percentage was only 14% and now it is around 22%, so there's a difference of massive 8%. After 10 minutes the battery percentage has reached 39% and the temperature has actually dropped to 38.2 degrees. After 15 minutes mark the battery percentage is 55% with temperature constant at 38.2. As the clock hits 20 minutes, the battery percentage has reached 69% and the temperature is 37.2 degrees and the temperature has actually dropped by 1 degree. After 25 minutes the battery percentage is around 83% and the temperature has further dropped to 37.1 degree. And finally after half an hour the battery percentage is around 93%. In our previous test it was 92%, so there's just gap of 1%, even though in the second test we got a lead of around 8% in the first 5 minutes. And after 35 minutes the battery percentage has come to 99% and the temperature is down to 32.1 degrees now, and let's see how much more time it needs to get to 100%. So after 35 minutes and 39 seconds the phone has charged to 100%, and again it's even better compared to OnePlus's claim of 39 minutes. So the OnePlus 8T has one of the fastest charging available in smartphone industry currently, and this is the fastest charging I have ever held my hands on. Although the phone has passed both tests, it will be interesting to see if the phone can keep up the same charging speeds as it gets old. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you liked the video. Smash the like button if you did. Comment down if your 8T charges in the same time or not, and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.